Hi everyone and welcome back. Paul says in Ephesians chapter 4 verse 3 that we need to endeavor to keep the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. This word endeavor means to trial, to work at, to persevere. In other words, it's hard work. All relationships need to be maintained in a marriage, in a family, in the church, even in your place of business. Relationships need to be maintained. The problem is we are all so very, very different. Even if we have a similar faith, even if we have similar likes and dislikes, we are different. We are unique in our character and in our personality. And you put all of this together, you have the potential for a world war. That is for sure. And yet God is looking for the unity of the Spirit. It's not just something that He gives. It's something that we need to maintain. We need to keep this unity. And there is a key to all of this happening, and that is the forgiveness of God. We are able to forgive one another because God has forgiven us. And the more I understand and appreciate and enjoy the forgiveness of God on my life, the more I am free and able to forgive others and to give people space to recognize the differences between me and you and everyone else. Paul says in Philippians chapter 2, do nothing out of selfish ambition or vain conceit, but in humility, he says, consider others better than yourselves. Each of you should not look to your own interests, but also to the interests of others. We can't live in hypocrisy. We can't live a life where we're just wearing masks. We cover up the way we really feel. On the outward, we have this wonderful Christian smile and we have this wonderful Christian pretense, but on the inside, there can be all sorts of worms and things in there. We need to walk in forgiveness towards one another and to have a desire in everything to be honest and walk in integrity in our heart, in our relationships. For that's the place that God will bring His blessing. So I want to encourage you. I want to challenge you today. Allow the forgiveness of God to flow through you in every situation, every day, wherever you are. May the Lord help you. God bless.